I was really bored today, and one of my friends had to mow the lawn, so I decided to make a documentary of the lawnmower.
Alright, so we're going to go find this lawnmower. We're going to try to find him in his natural habitat. Totally unexpected us. We have to be very careful. Don't try this at home. Watch him as he just casually marches along.
I'm going to try to get a closer shot of him.
Now this can be a very dangerous job. You just have to be very careful. He'll lose his temper any minute now.
Lawnmower is very protective of his territory. Here he comes, be careful. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty.
The lawnmower is puzzled by this awkward formation in his lawn, but soon overcomes the obstacle.
See as he works, real carefully. Just try to get a little closer. Bring it up to there. See this? Spot. Run.
We lost Kelly.
Where's Kelly?
Right. That was a close one. He almost got me there.
Yes, we got close to his territory. It spotted us.
We're going to try to get closer to her again. Oh man, she's a real beauty.
Is he coming back?
He goes to make him stupid. He's over there talking to Karen.
Oh, great. All right.
What are we gonna do now?
Maybe we should go throw a rock at Joseph. Let's do it.
I got the rock.
It is there. Oh, okay.
Concrete.
Let's throw it near him at least, not at him, but let's go.
As you can see, the two species are communicating.
It's some sort of mating ritual. Notice how the mating ritual has been interrupted by some competition of one of the species. They see us. We've apparently interrupted their mating ritual. Keep clear. The males get really aggressive at this time of the year.
And as you can see,
Wait, which one's the male?
The one with the black and the one with red.
the two left.
The one with the white is the female. They're both arguing over it. They're civilized creatures, so they don't really fist fight.
But if this continues on longer,
It may turn into something ugly.
They say we go around that way, around the houses, get a closer look at the...
No.
Sounds good.
they're moving. They're moving.
We're on the move.
Hold on.
Looks like
They see us. They see us.
At this point we separated, and the beast chased me down. I managed to appease the specimen by giving it a candy bar. It soon went back to mending its grass.
Probably, yeah. Hey, that back door's unlocked. Yeah, let's do it. Come on.
Molly!
How did you keep getting out?
She's a beauty. Right, stay back. Don't ever try this at home.
Be careful.
All right, we're gonna grab it by the tail. All right, there we go.
Oh, I got it.
Hey, can I pet it? Man, just got my hand. Oh, I'm good.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Where'd you go?
Okay.
Grab the rock.
We released the animal back into its natural habitat and continued our observation of the lawnmower.
We should try to sneak into my house and get a better shot out of the windows. Come on, let's go.
Hide, hide, hide. Locked?
Yes, locked.
Just come on, guys. And I can get in the back door.
Oh no.
Quick, take the side. Side exit. Hurry. Oh, there he is.
There he comes. He feels the area safe.
He senses a presence, I can tell.
There's the tension in his face.
Look how he strides. It's a stride of a more
Circling
territory.
that nest in the center.
Like a
Maybe he's got some babies in there.
pterodactyl.
It's indigestion. That could be. Yes, as other scientists have speculated, this could be a sign of indigestion.
Notice how he keeps a hold of the lawnmower. He's going out.
Okay, I'm gonna attempt what has never been attempted before with one of these creatures.
We're going to get close up.
We're gonna sneak up on it and we're gonna charge it. Oh, there he is.
I can see that it's...
At this point, the creature doesn't realize that I'm on his tail. Oh no, he's on. As soon as I entered, a wasp attacked me. I jumped headfirst out the window. Oh, I just got stung by a wasp.
Are you serious?
Yeah, inside the clubhouse.
Is that why you jumped out?
That's why I jumped out.
Did it hurt?
Yes?
Did you scream in the camera?
No, I just went, oh, like that. Oh, it stings. After several triple bypasses, I recovered from the incident. It was because I got stung by a wasp.
Ew, it's like
Yeah,
purple.
inside the shed, I jumped in, and then when I dove out of it,
Whoa. You got stung by a wasp?
I've got nothing else to sky. I've got a 12-sided die.